Hey Carlos and Michelle. So this is you guys' website. It looks pretty nice. You guys have 731 words of content on there, so that's good. I would have more. I like to have at least 1,000, depending on what your competition has. The more words you have, the better. Google loves content. It's able to find keywords within that content, as well as it helps you rank the more content you have. The next thing, these images. Let's see what they're saved as. So you'd want this saved as a keyword as well. So you'd want like roof repair, Greensville, or you know whatever keyword you want to rank for. Um, it's just a missed opportunity not doing that. A lot of people don't do it correctly. But yeah, you just go over your website and re-upload those with keywords in them. So I type in roof repair Greensville or Greenville. First would be ads up here. These you have to be certified by Google to get. They're supposed to be a little less spammy. Then you got the original ads down here. Then you got the GMB. Then you got the organic ranking. Grabbing this guy. This is what his website looks like. Obviously, it doesn't look as good as your guys' it does. He only has 603 words of content, and I'm pretty sure he doesn't save his images right. But let's see. Nope, he doesn't. A lot of people don't. So now that you know you have that advantage over this guy, you can just do it. It's just a missed opportunity if you don't do it. Google, it can't see what the photos are, but it sees what they're saved as, and then it gives you a keyword for them. Plugging you guys into Ahrefs, you guys have a 21 UR score, a DR of 5, 114 backlinks, 25 referring domains, 283 keywords you're ranking for, 69 organic traffic a month. Looks like you guys do some paid ads, Google ads. These are keywords it looks like you guys use. These ones is how much on average people are paying per click. And then this is the volume people that search that keyword a month. And then here's how hard it is to rank for that. The higher the KD, the higher the KD, the harder it is to rank for, and the lower the KD, the easier it is. I'll talk more on that in a bit. Let's see what keywords you're ranking for. Let's see where you're going, how you guys are doing. Roofing companies in South Carolina. You guys are position number 2 for that. So that's obviously the whole state. So it's not like city location specific, but you probably get a fair amount of people from around South Carolina. It's got a volume of 30, 17 KD. South Carolina roofing. You guys do okay for that too. You're number 6. So you're kind of on the first page for these ones. Roofing, Greenville, South Carolina, 200 volume. So that's a lot of people search that. 18 KD. So it's a little difficult to rank for, but it's not terrible. You're currently at number 10, so you're at the bottom of page 1. Roofing companies, Greenville, South Carolina, 150.13. There's 415 there. You have page 2 for that one. But yeah, you kind of can see where you're at for these. Let's go check out this guy. So he's got a 24 UR score, a 0.4 DR score. So his UR score is not too bad. His DR score is not good. So that means it shouldn't be too hard to beat him. He's got a lot of backlinks, but since his DR score is so low, it means he's got a lot of spammy backlinks, and he only has 42 referring domains. So that helps too because he gets scored for only 42, even though he's got a ton of backlinks. We can come out here and check and see what backlinks he's got. You can copy the ones that you like of this guy. You want to go after high DR and high UR scores. You don't want to go after the low spammy ones. And you also want to make sure it's relevant to industry. You don't want to go after fast food or something, deep sea diving or something that's not relevant. You'd want to go after like construction or, like services, home services, roofing, stuff like that. Let's see what this is. We can come see what the backlink is. So this, I qualified pro. So this is just a citation directory. So this is it's a directory. More directories. Let's see. Those are all directories. what's this? I think it's probably a directory too, but yeah, it's a directory. But yeah, so there's a lot of directories on there. Here's kind of where the spammy ones are. Like, we won't want to go after these ones. No, they're all like low digit ones. But, let's say you wanted to. You could come here and see how we got it. I don't understand how I got this one. But yeah, I mean, you wouldn't even want that one. But so that's kind of, you can go check out other competitors, grab their backlinks. Backlinks that you can get are blog commenting, blogging, guest posts, news articles, advertisements, sponsors, citation directories. There's a bunch of them out there. Basically anything that'll link back to you. But you want to make sure it's not spam, and you want to make sure it's relevant to industry. Google Smart, it knows what looks spammy, and it's not going to pass. It's going to hurt you if you have sites it doesn't trust linking back to you versus sites that it thinks that it trusts a lot and they're high strength. Those are going to help you a lot. Let's check out this guy's ranking for though. Okay. Sorry, Ruff just gets me. So Ruffer, Greensville, South Carolina, 400 volume, 15 KD. Rough Repair, Greensville, South Carolina, 90 and 15. So yeah, again, the lower the KD, the easier it is to rank for. The higher, the harder. Then here's the volume of people a month, and here's the cost per click for the average for Google Ads. So you could come in here and see where is best to spend your money for ads. Like you see, this is roofing companies, Greensville, South Carolina. 150 people search that a month. But people are paying $35 a click on average for that keyword versus roofers in Greensville, South Carolina, or Greenville. I always say Greensville. Sorry. It's 100 volume, so it's a little less volume, about 2/3. But you're only paying 11 on average, $11 a click. So you save yourself you spend about a third. So you can get 3 clicks versus 1 click, and it's basically the same thing. I would say someone's just as likely to buy, get a roof repair or something, or get a new roof, no matter which one of those they search. Where there's going to be more people that search it on this one, but 100 people is pretty good still. Anderson, South Carolina, 107, so that's pretty easy to grab. Let's see, what else is there? If you do Spartanburg, it's 20 and 0, so it's super fast to rank for. And it's also very cheap to do an ad for. It's only 20 volume though. Yeah, when it has this here, it means that no one's doing ads, so you could just do the lowest you wanted to, and as you would be the top one because no one else is doing ads. If you do Spartanburg, there's a 60 and a 0, very fast to rank for. But yeah, that's so. Let's do the next thing. Going to GMB. To grabbing this guy. If you don't have one, it's free to set up. Definitely recommend doing it. A lot of people actually use the GMB. First, you want to make sure you set up 100%. You don't want to skip steps. Then you want to have add photos as many as you can. The more photos, the better. Google for the GMB, the content of the GMB is photos. And then citations. Citations are directories. You want to make sure your name on your GMB as well as the directory are the same, your phone number, and then the location. This guy, it didn't go through completely. It didn't finish. This program doesn't. It does pretty decent, but some stuff it gets about 80%. So this guy has 29 citations, that's found so far. It might have a few more. But like BBB, Yellow Pages, Yelp. You can also get social profile citations like Yahoo, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest. There's a whole bunch out there. You can copy this guy's, and then you can go get your own. You can Google for more. It's something you can definitely do. It's pretty easy, but it's time consuming to do. And then you can start ranking for your GMB. Hopefully this helps. I'd love to hear your feedback on it. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a good rest of your night. If you want, we can talk more also. Thanks for watching.